left and Matt Smith on the right. The first final of the countdown. Pro Stop Motorcycle. Here we go. And John Hall for American Rebel Light Denso and Brakes gets it done to start the countdown of the championship. 72 on the roof of that machine. Cody Coughlin had a bit of a sidetrack pathway to drag racing. An incredible career as a stock car competitor. Was a top prospect cruise with all the way up into the NASCAR Truck Series. But he's never raced for a Wally NHRA competition. His father John is an accomplished sportsman racer. His uncle Jaggy, his uncle Troy, and his uncle Mike, and his cousin Troy Jr. They've all won in NHRA. Is this the moment for Cody Coughlin in his first final with his teammate, the points leader, Dallas Glenn, in the left lane? Here at the House of Chaos, ultimate here inside the House of Chaos. Sun City, over this amazing track, Raceway, and Cruiser and Blake ready to battle it out for Wally Nitro final. Two-time world champion emphatically is back. The Snap-on 105th anniversary machine gets it done here at Maple Grove. The 40th win of Cruz Pedregon's incredible funny car career. Is this the culmination of a lifelong dream for Sean Reed in his return to the scene of the top fuel car? He has won it as a team owner. He has won it with Rob Wendland and Ryan Elliott. And less than 8 weeks after Sean Reed had to be carried out of a race car, put in an ambulance, and rushed into surgery, Sean Reed is a top fuel winner in the NHRA. What an incredible day for Sean Reed and that team. Big turn on win right here. Second in a row, he won the U.S. Nationals. Scott Livershire out of Wilmington, Illinois. Art Power and that Mighty Motorsports machine. Pennsylvania Family Power. For Scott Livershire's Kobo on the right side. If you're a Camaro fan, you want the car on the right. If you're a Mustang fan, showdown 772, 178 miles per hour. That is his father, Jason. And I told you, yesterday was rough, but a Wally today, make it sting a little bit less. Guaranteed a first-time winner in Stock Eliminator here. As Paul Ritchie's Ace Supermod on the right side of the racetrack. Out of Rocky Hill, Connecticut, lines up against Martin Hopkins, D. Alton. The engine builder from Phoenixville, Pennsylvania on the left. At 92 Beretta. Paul Ritchie. Rolling forward, an Ace Supermod, a 96 Dodge Avenger would have started on the factory floor. And Mark Hopkins. Cruises to his first national event win, 765 and 176 miles per hour. 8.90 indexes, the end of the track. And the battle is between David Long and Amanda Wojcicki. The Wally will stay in Pennsylvania. David Long, former All-Star. Went to the final round in Dallas way back in 2003. It's his first trip back since then. For Amanda Wojcicki, She has won right here at Maple Grove before. The Relentless Machine on the right side of the racetrack. Number 5 in the world a year ago. The daughter of a world champion. Iggy Wojcicki's hands on the starting line. See if his daughter can get it done once again at Maple Grove. David Long gets it done. How about the fist pump on the starting line? David Long wins a double breakout, 889.2 to an 889.8. Amanda Wojcicki left first, took a 12,000 stripe, and David Long gets it done. The better end of the math works out for the Wallingford, Pennsylvania native for S&W Race Cars and C2 Converters, Ken Moses Racing Transmissions. David Long wins his first, and he does it at home at Maple Grove. Congratulations to David Long. The final round of Top Sportsman presented by Wright Trailers at the House of Chaos is ready. Vince 4K wins his first national event, 7:39.5 on the 7:23 with a double 04 reaction time, and Vince 4K for the folks at Wright Trailers and Max Maurice Noyles gets it done. Number 1 for Vince 4K comes here at Maple Grove. Competing in the final round for the first time in his career. He looks over at Charlie Knopick, who has been here before. He's won a couple of times. He's number 4 in the division a year ago. He's also out of Canada. Renfro, his home in Ontario. So Wally is going back north of the border. Knopick right. Reynolds left one last time. 990 Super Gas cars ready to go at Maple Grove. Here at the House of Chaos, that's got to be Dad. And look at the elation on the starting line. 993.1 beats a 993 with a 6 by 9 thousandths of a second. Mike Reynolds left first, 019 to an 023, and he was able to hang on to take a 9,000 stripe as Charlie Knopick went blowing by some 25 mile an hour faster, and Michael Reynolds wins it. Actually, we can't go 5 for 5. Take that back. We can't go 6 for 6. We'll get to 6 for 6 in a moment. Let's talk about Superstock. The factory Superstock C machine on the right. MicroStrategies is Anthony Bongiovanni. This is his home track. He's out of New Jersey. Bongiovanni's gotten it done before. That LaFontaine and Heel machine. Gets it done. 9:53.6 on a 9:52 as Bongiovanni couldn't get there. And Lewis Gill takes the stripe by 6 thousandths of a second. 5 final rounds in the Lucas Oil Series. 5 first-time winners at the House of Chaos. One final lap. All right, here's what I meant when I said we couldn't go 6 for 6, but there's a story here. My guy Kono on the left side. Michael Iacono out of Whiting Rivers, New York. He's had a great career. Michael Iacono, this is his 20th career final. He's won 6 of these. You're looking at his race car. It's a red 83 Camaro. G-Stock automatic 305 machine, dial 1125. Michael Iacono has had a perfect reaction time twice this weekend to get to the final round in Stock Eliminator. You know how hard that is? California Car Code below machine. Jimmy Frank, the U.S. Nationals winner a couple weeks back. David Casey on the other side. That's a 4-speed 69 427 Corvette. It's got a clutch in it. David Casey out of Hampton, Massachusetts. The B-Stock, dial 1049. David Casey's last final round came in Richmond, Virginia, 20 years ago. going to get the win to close out the 40th NHRA Nationals here, presented by Nitro Fish.